remember to subscribe and hit the like button. And let's delve into the world of Grey's Anatomy. Stephanie Leifer, a key figure in the show's success, was honored in the 21st season premiere. Her impactful career at ABC and ABC signature shaped iconic TV series like Grey's Anatomy and Ugly Betty. Leifer's journey as a programming executive spanned 2 decades, showcasing her dedication and influence in the industry. Her significant contributions were felt not only within ABC, but across the television landscape. Her legacy continues to resonate, touching the hearts of many. Stephanie's passing left a void in the entertainment world, with Disney Television mourning the loss of a beloved member of their family. Her passion for storytelling and unwavering support for creative minds will forever be remembered. Our heartfelt condolences go out to her family during this difficult time. As we reflect on Stephanie Leifer's remarkable impact, let's cherish the moments she brought to our screens. Her dedication to Grey's Anatomy and other acclaimed shows will always be celebrated in her honor. Let's continue to appreciate the artistry she helped bring to life. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time,